Hi, and welcome to this Nextage tips and tricks video. My name is Johannes Liljenhjerte, and today we're going to look at two surface tools in NX12, Combine and Variable Offset Face. Combine is new in NX12 and is a tool to conveniently trim and combine several surfaces at the same time. It can also be used to create solid bodies of completely enclosed volumes. Variable offset face was introduced in NX11, but improved in NX12, which we'll see later in this video. To show the combine feature, I've created the surfaces seen here. The combine command is found on the surface tab, surface operations, more, and then combine. Here I can select sheet bodies that will be conveniently trimmed and combined, as you can see. Depending on where on the sheet I selected. So now I just deselected the sheet here. Then if I select it above the intersection with the other surface, you'll see it automatically selects that region instead of the middle one. Could also select the one below. If I selected a lot of surfaces, I can afterwards go in and select the regions that I would like to keep, or if I'd want to remove them. You can also quickly find the volume by simply click Find Volume. Then it selects all the regions that enclose a volume, and then when you say OK, it will create a solid body. To show the improvements in variable offset face, I'm going to reuse one of the surfaces from before and the sketch that I created. If I go back to the surface operations group and in More, I'll find the variable offset command. First thing is I select the face that I'd like to offset. I can then select the boundaries that I'll use to define the regions. I can choose whether this boundary should be projected normal to the curves or normal to face. I could also say along vector, but I'll just use this normal to plane in this example. I then have three regions, and I can choose the offset that I want for those regions. In NX11, you only had this panel option, so you didn't even see this drop down. If I try to make a bridge for enclosed, so notice we are having these enclosed boundaries. It doesn't allow me to create these. But in NX12, I can now choose Pad. That gives me the capability to create a bridge between these two regions, region 1 and 3. If I go in and say I would like to change this region a little bit as well, I can go into settings and say offset as a solid. That is also new in NX12, allowing me to create a solid between the original surface and the one that I have offset. The requirement is that all my offsets are on the same side of the original surface. I could also choose to change my bridge continuity from connected to tangent, which we'll notice at the now smooth edges of the bridge face. To conclude, we saw how we can use the NX12 combine command to conveniently trim and combine sheet bodies, and even create solid bodies of completely enclosed volumes. We saw how variable offset face has been improved with the new pad type that can handle bridge regions when using closed profile boundaries, together with the new capability of creating a solid body between the original face and the offset one. I hope you found this demonstration useful, and stay tuned for more Nextage videos.